Okay, so I want to show you real quick my cart that I filled. It's all Project Life on this cart. And so what I did was I just made sure to keep it accessible with all the things that I need for Project Life. So on the top cart, let me show you real quick. So I have this washi roll. I only pulled out the fun, cool washi that I want to use for the next couple of months, and then I'll rotate them out from this stack. But I thought I'd keep some right here on my cart so that way I can use it if I like. So what I did was I got one of these refrigerator dividers from, I believe, Marshall's, and I separated my cards. These are all Ellie Edwards, and then these are all Studio Calico. And I subscribe to Studio Calico, so in here is January and February. March is in here, still in my pouch. I have not separated this kit. This needs to stay in its package for now. And then I just separate all the cards. They're just, the big 4x6, I could just pull them out because that's all I have. These are all cardstock, and the newest stuff is in the front. The oldest stuff is in the back. And it's all just little, not cardstock, chipboard pieces are in this little container. Then I have all the stickers. There's alpha, and there's just a bunch of different types of stickers, letters, labels, cute stickers. They're all in here. Then this one is all just tags, little ephemera pieces, and all the cute tags from different companies all mixed in one. Those are all my cards. And then on the bottom shelf, or the second shelf I should say, is the Cocoa Daisy stamps. I have them so that way I can use them because I'm on their team, so I have to keep those closer to me and able to use them. I have their new kit still in a box, so I like to keep things, if they're new, in a box until the next month comes, and then I unpack the kits. So these are all old stuff from Cocoa Daisy. And then these are all the Cocoa Daisy cards. I like to keep them, these are all January, February. And I like to keep them in there because that way I know if I need to use anything of their products, it stays together. It's in this white little divider container that I found at Target. Then behind here, ooh, let me move this out. Okay, so that's my Cocoa Daisy. We've established that. So this is a ruler. So let me show you, in this little strawberry basket, I have all enamel dots, and there's Cocoa Daisy enamel dots. I threw those in there because I hardly ever use enamel dots. I just collect them for fun. Yay me, hoarder. Okay, but that's all the enamel dots I have. And then these are all just pieces from Studio Calico, from Color Cast Designs, a bunch of acrylic pieces, and just a bunch of little embellishments. Then on this side is all my wood veneer, and you can see there's from all different brands, but they're all in here, and I'll just pull out the whole container and I will dump it out on my desk and then find what I'm looking for. That way it's all separate. I should label them, but I switch things out so much in containers that I don't want to do that, but that's how I do it. The second shelf is dedicated to embellishments, and that could be anywhere from felt, wood, rubber, enamel dots, enamel embellishments, and wood veneer. So all of that is in the middle cart. The top is more cards, stickers, and tags. But then of course I have this little container, but that's just to keep it because I need to organize my Cocoa Daisy. The bottom cart is just a bunch of, these need to go like this, inks, all the distressed oxide inks that I own, and all of the small stamps that would fit in a 3x4 card. So I like to make stamped 3x4 cards, and then I have a little small container back here. So I have inks here, bigger inks there, some tools, and then of course my inking, let me show you, my stamp platform. So it's stamps, inks, embellishments, washi, favorite washi, and then cards from other manufacturers, design team manufacturer stuff. But that's my cart for Project Life. Here is cart number 2, which is a pink cart. It's much bigger. It's from Michaels. This one has a bunch of different just ephemera packs. This actually doesn't belong here. And then this is my Heidi Swap. I was subscribed to her planner kit. And so these are all just planner things in here for memory planners. And in the bottom, I have really big stamps, all the big stamps that you can possibly think of. The big ones are in there. And then I have a couple of flair. That's all the flair I own. And then a sticker machine, sticker, whatever, maker. And then these are all the adhesive for my ATG gun. And staples and a bunch of little tools and stuff in here. Foam dots, more foam dots. And the bottom cart is tools. So I have all my punches, all the punches I own, my crocodile, my tiny attacher, my big mega stamp, punches, tools. Then it's adhesive and kind of a mixture of large stamps, things that I will use, but not as much. So this cart is kind of set to the side. The top one is ephemera, and so I could just pull these and I place them on my desk when I'm working on memory planners. That's what I do. And so you can get an idea of my corner. This is my corner. So it is messy. I still haven't vacuumed or cleaned it. And so I just want to give you an idea of what my corner looks like. I have on my desk the things that I gravitate towards, like anything that I need to use, roller stamps, some washi, scissors, pins, things like that. This is just for if I need to have some sequins. That's just a coffee mug. That's my memory planner. My trimmer stays on my desk. Stuff that's just a light and a oil diffuser. The carts that I just showed you. And then up here is a big, huge mess. So here we go, if you want to see some mess. This has some friction markers that I rarely use. It's kind of just more for decoration. Some older wood veneer, lots of paper clips. These are ephemera pieces that are loose. I either printed and cut them myself. They are only spring and summer in there because the other ones are put away. These little trays, they come in handy. I'll pull them down for pictures and stuff like that. That's just some twine. That's all my thread for my sewing machine. Those are just my Funko Pops. These are albums that I'm currently working on. This is my Project Life. This one's for summer. I don't know what this one's for yet, but it's there. These are just extra TNs that I don't use. So I was thinking of making a project with that. Extra washi, and I use a lot of clear tape to close up pockets. So that's how come it's in there. Extra washi over here. Extra washi over here. This is a hot mess right here. I have to come in here and fix this. These are just loose papers, like kind of little mini pads and just loose papers from Cocoa Daisy. And then this is a huge mess down here. So this needs to be organized because I have not organized it. It's paper. I usually do color coordinated paper, some large trimmers and cutters, and then also my scoring board. But that's basically all of my stuff. I do have 4 big envelopes underneath my bed that I'm not going to show you because those are projects that I'm currently working on. Like my Disney album is in there. I have my gratitude journal and also my memory planners stuff is in there. So that's basically it. That is the corner of my room. I face the window. I use a big light to diffuse the dark that's in my room. The light shines, and that's how I record. I have 2 separate, one makes reels and the other one is for YouTube. So I have 2 separate holders up there. So then I usually have 2 like this shining on my desk while I'm working. I do not use a chair to work. I actually move the chair out of the way and I work standing up. So I never sit. I used to sit on the floor right by the window and I stopped doing that. So now I'm a standing scrapper. And so I just need to fix those papers, organize those better. But that's all of my stuff. Of course, I've said this before, all of my Christmas is in a box and all of my Halloween is in a box. That is put away in the garage. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you liked this little walkthrough of my messy little corner. See, that's my treadmill. And so I hope that you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and please go ahead and hit that little notification bell, because that tells you the next time that I post a video. And I would really appreciate it if you are following along, because these videos take time and I want to hear your feedback. So thanks a lot. Talk to you later.